What's up, YouTube? It's Crookie. How you doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a great Easter. But I'm going to make for Easter a new chicken that I've never made before, and it's called spicy chicken with honey. It's a spicy chicken marinade. The marinade I'm gonna make first, and then later on I'll record, cooking the chicken on the grill and using the marinade on the chicken. But this marinade can be used as a dipping sauce too, so I'm gonna try it I'm gonna make enough to have some for later to try as a dipping sauce. But what we're gonna start out with first, I've got my recipe wrote down right here, is a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna double that out to a whole cup. So let me go, no, I'm gonna do just a 3/4 cup maybe. Let's see. Yeah, a cup of mayonnaise is a lot. Yeah, I'll probably do a 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Sorry about that, I forgot my cup. But we're putting this in her. Get some more mayonnaise. Once you get that half a cup in there, hold on. All right. Well, you guys gotta wait 1 second. My cat has to go outside. That's the life of having a cat. They want to go outside. All right, okay, let's get back to the cooking. So 3/4 of a cup of mayo. I might put one more because it's hard to measure out mayo. Go ahead and rinse this bad boy off so it's not a mess or got that done. So yeah, this should be pretty good. So I'm gonna put the mayonnaise up. We need 2 tablespoons of mustard. And what I'll do is I'll put the recipe in the comments, not the comments, but in the description if you guys want me to do that. So 2 tablespoons of mustard. Tablespoons. I'm gonna put it in there, but it calls for 2 tablespoons of mustard. If you're doubling it, of course it's more. Let's do the 2 tablespoons of mustard. Let's go ahead and just, all right, that should be enough. All right. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Taking a little bit longer than I thought it would to make this sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool. Lime juice in. Like I said, I'm making a little bit more than what it calls for. So got the mustard, got the lime juice, putting that away. So next, garlic. I use minced garlic, Spice World minced garlic. Or yeah, Spice World. I'll go ahead and get one of these out. So it says, you can do fresh garlic if you want. It costs for 3 to 5 cloves. Totally up to you. I'm gonna use 1, 2, oh, your little, oh, that is it. 2 of your plastic spoons of minced garlic. Okay. 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. So I'm not gonna really measure that out too much, but it says 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. I'm gonna just put a little bit like that. So 1.5 tablespoons of Sriracha. Let's see here. Oh, it's got a, okay, I see. I've never bought Sriracha before, so this is the first time I've ever used Sriracha in a recipe. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I'll probably do this in a 2-part video. I'll do the actual making the sauce, and then I'll show you guys in another video I'll post one today and one tomorrow. So 2 tablespoons of this. No, not 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry, 1.5. Okay. Okay, 2. All right, cool, cool, cool. Now, on the recipe, if you look up online, it doesn't have this, but I'm going to put 2 tablespoons, or no, let's do 1.5 of green cut up chilies. Actually, I'm gonna take my garlic plastic spoon here. I'm gonna do 1, 2. Now let's go ahead and put a little bit more. 2.5 spoonfuls of that. All right. 1 teaspoon of honey. Teaspoon. Wow. It's not a lot, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons since I'm doubling my. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, you got that? All right. Some pepper. It says 1 tablespoon of pepper. I'm not really gonna measure that out. I'm just gonna put, you know, what I think. And 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. So same way with the parsley flakes. You can put as much, you know. Oh shoot. We're gonna put the parsley flakes in there. All right, and then after that, you got to mix it together really good. Get the mayonnaise back out. So what you do to thicken it up is use the mayonnaise, which is what I'm going to use here. Get another spoon. Don't want to dab. Let's try that right there. Spicy. Olive oil. Olive oil. How much olive oil was it? Alright guys, back. I had to check on my phone because I had the recipe on my phone and I forgot to write. So it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's do 1, 2. These are teaspoons. Okay, that should be enough. Should be enough. Make sure you mix it really, really good. All right, guys. So that's it. You take all that, put it together. It actually turned out pretty good. It should have kind of like a, almost like a salad dressing look to it. I don't know. It looks pretty good. So what I'll do is I'll take my chicken and I'll put it in a Ziploc bag and dump a little bit of this in here and shake it up. And then when I go down to cook it on the grill, I'll take this bad boy here and I'll put a little bit in a bowl. Don't dip the chicken, you know, don't put it in a container. Don't put it in a container. What you're glazing it with, sorry, I can't talk. What you're glazing it with, don't touch your chicken and touch what you're gonna keep for dipping sauce. That's what I'm trying to say. Good gosh, Crookie. Because what happens is you're cross-contaminating the chicken with your sauce, and then you could get salmonella or some kind of bacteria from the raw chicken if you touch it or whatever. So I'd keep what you're gonna keep for dipping sauce in a separate container and take your little container to glaze over your chicken. And if you want, what I'm gonna do with my chicken is I'm gonna rub it down with olive oil on some aluminum foil, and I might show that on a thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some seasoning on it as well that I've got up in a cabinet, and I'll show you later. So hopefully you guys like this video on making the spicy sauce. I tried it, it's really, really good. Let's try it one more time since I put the olive oil in it. good. Oh my gosh, it's different, but definitely good. It's got a little kick to it, little kick. So hopefully you guys try it. If you do, let me know. And if you want, record it and I'll check it out as well. So you guys have a good one. Peace.